All right, I've got one final interesting thing that you can do. This one has to do with a drop menu. And for those of you who don't know what a drop menu is, you will by the time I'm done. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the drop menu at the bottom here above the this thing. So underneath the line, the horizontal line. So I'm going to hit Enter a few times. And let's make this so you can all see it pretty clearly. I'll just move it up a little bit. That way you can see what I'm doing. All right. Now, drop menu, first of all, it's text, so you need a P. So I'm going to start with that. And usually what the menu does is it's there for you to answer a question or to make a choice. So I'm going to put down what is your favorite class? Okay, so we have a choice here. And the tag for this is select because you're making a selection. So it seems like a simple text, select. And the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to create something called option. That's the sort of the option values, the inside tag. But the first one you're going to do is called option selected values. We're going to do option selected value. And the reason you do this is the one that's always going to show up in the beginning. So this is your first choice. And for me, I want it to be select one. Sort of the instructions of what to do. Close that. And the tag should, the text should be select one. And then of course you have to have a closing option tag. Now the rest of them are going to be, here let's just do one and then we'll copy and paste just to be lazy. Okay, so you don't need the selected one. So it's just option value and then whatever it is. So of course I'm going to put down technology. So everybody loves technology. And then you can just copy this and put it down as many times as you want. Now notice I forgot to hit enter, so it's just a matter of, there we go. And one more, well, 4 options. Okay, so this one, oops, can't double click there. So this one should be math. And let's see, PE. And language arts. I'm kind of curious just to see which one. I think it's this one that's where it shows up. So I'm going to write language arts. And one more thing is you have to close the selection. Okay, remember we have the select tag up here. So now I'll copy it, put it down here, and put the closing sign. And I have to close the P tag as well. And that's it. So I'm going to save, come back over here, refresh this, allow blocked content. Scroll down, it's at the bottom here. And if I click on this, here again, let me take this and move it up so that you can see better, those of you sitting in the back. There we go. What is your favorite class? And I click on this, and I have technology, math, PE, and language arts. So I guess it really doesn't matter. Here, let me just go over here. I guess it really doesn't matter what you put here. That's more for you to know what it is. So if I change that, save, and come back here, refresh it, it doesn't change anything here. Okay. So whatever's in the quotes, you can make it shorthand for whatever you want, like LA and PE and so forth. And as far as what I was trying to do, I spent a long time trying to figure out how to make this so that if I clicked on something like this, it would actually go there, like if it was Yahoo, Google, Dogpile, or whatever, some other search engine, it would actually go to it. But I had I couldn't find an easy way to do it. So again, if you can find an easy way to do something like that, I will be forever in your debt, at least for the end of the day. Thank you very, very much. You guys have a great time. Stick around. I got a couple things to say before we run off.